Listen, if I have to spell this place out, I'm wasting my breath. Steve here at that place. And of course, Futtocks End. So what have I been up to? Oh, look at this. This is my Illudium Q36 space modulator. It's actually a hairdryer to dry paint. So, enough of the funny stuff. What's this here? Well, I'll tell you. This is my switches. I've actually sprayed them black. This was temporary to operate all my points. So I'm going to put a little, diagram. So here goes. So I had a go the other day. This is a piece of what do I call it? I don't know. Not masonite. It's actually MDF. So anyway, I bought some bit of timber and framed it up, and I painted it black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lines on with I'm going to put thin masking tape on as a line diagram. Then I'm going to spray the whole thing white, and while the paint's still wet, I'm going to pull off masking tape. So I'm going to have black lines on a white background. That's the idea. Shall we see how we go? So here's my panel. I've got a cutting mat here. I'm going to make each line 500mm long, and I'm going to cut them 4mm wide. The most important thing, brand new blade, brand new, so that you get nice clean cuts. So here I go. I'm going to cut these off and put them on. I'm making it up as I go, but then again, that's normally the way with me. What I decided to do, I cut a piece off first, because when you lay this down it sort of goes up and down a bit, so I thought I'll create a straight edge first, then I'll get lines of equidistant thickness. I've also decided 4mm was too thick, it looked wrong, so I've gone down to 3mm on the verniers. So that's my Futtocks End. That's going down to the turntable, so that's alright. So what I'll do is I'll put switches probably in the middle. I'm going to put LEDs, dual coloured LEDs, so there'll be green for straight ahead and red if it's, so it will change from red to green and so forth. I'm going to put the washing on the line now, and then I'm going to go and spray it. So I come outside into my back garden. I've whacked a star post into the ground. Well, I didn't whack, I just put it in there. Here's my what do I call it? Control panel. And I've got this Australian export paint. So I got this from super cheap autos. It's $4.39. And just so you know, if I was to go to a model shop and buy a tin of Humbrol matte white, it would cost me the same price. And in fact, it would cost me probably a bit more. This is already mixed up, no messing around. Just got to limber up now. Okay, it's 28 degrees out here today. We're expecting, I think they said 36. We've had a lot of cold weather. It's going to be a pretty hot day today. Yeah, let's have a go. And the wind's blowing in the right direction, it's all blowing away from me. I won't bore you, I'm going to turn this off now and come back. Well, it's taken a few coats, it's still not finished. Lucky it's matte, so this will dry very, very quickly, or I'll be able to put another coat on. You can see the lines. Put a bit more on. I'll hold it, I don't want it to blow off. Oh, come on. Well, that's done. I'm going to leave it probably 5 minutes, no longer. So when I pull this off, I don't want it to skin over and create ragged lines. I've got a feeling it might anyway, but at the end of the day, it's a control panel. And while I would like it to look absolutely super duper pretty and designed by some artist, it's not going to. Anyway, I'm going to put it inside now. So here it is, I've got it inside. I've got my trusty Acme Illudium Q36 space modulator, and recommended to me by Marvin the Martian. Give it a Okay, I've pulled off all the masking tape, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. Yes, I've got a few problems. I don't know why it's crazed there. I don't know why. There's a bit of craze in there. But that's not a problem. What I'm going to do, and also because I've got gloss paint here, what I'll do, once this is dried up, I'll leave it for a few days to dry up, or dry off I should say, and then I'll just put some paper over there and give it another spray, probably a spray of varnish to seal it and all make it the same, and then I can finish off. But it only cost me $4.50. I had everything else, so I had the black paint, half a tin of black paint, which was just sitting on the shelf, so $4.39. That's what it cost me, and yeah, I'm pleased with it. It started off lovely today. Anyway, it's 4:15 and it's 36 degrees. We haven't had days like this since February. So, here we go. That's it, finished.